Please hold. I am so not used to using my phone. But first, let's play a game of clean or dirty. I actually just started unloading my dishwasher, and a bunch, look, that was actually in the dishwasher, of the items that were in there are still dirty. So someone had asked me, and my dishwasher is not super full. There's the bottom and then the top. So it was not super full. It should have gotten everything really clean. So somebody had asked how I liked this automatic dishwasher gel from Aldi, and I didn't, although the dirty items would happen occasionally, they didn't happen all the time. So I'm not real sure. So I have touched something on my phone and it's a little bit crazy. I am unable to use my vlogging camera right now because the battery will not charge, and I think it's something wrong with the cord because I might have sucked it up the vacuum cleaner. Oops. So anyway, I'm driving to pick up my groceries. It is freezing here. With the wind chill, St. Louis was around -8 to -10. It's just bitter cold. It's so cold that my car acts like it doesn't really want to go. I'm actually, looks like I need gas. We are basically sharing a vehicle now. Andrea did take a new job that we are very excited about. I know it's a little bit confusing for you that have watched me for, my glasses are that weird color because it's in the light again. But I know it's a little bit confusing for those of you who have watched me for a while. 2017 was definitely challenging for us career-wise and financial-wise. Andrea did, his company downsized and they cut his position back in June. So he actually, by the grace of God, just found this position within 24 hours at another school, and he took that position, but it just was not a good environment. Wow, my face looks huge and it is so cold. It was not a good environment at all. It was just a dangerous environment, and the administration was horrible. And if you know anything about jobs and careers, you know that it is very important to have stability in your job. It just isn't always about the salary, but about your stability. And there was zero stability or comfort for us. And of course, here I was staying home for the first time in 20 years. So it just didn't have us, I didn't feel comfortable. So back to the story I was talking about. So this isn't going to be really straight. I am still not able to use my vlogging camera, so I have you guys sitting on some dish soap, and I'm filming on my phone. And of course I just started talking. Sasha, no! And as soon as I start talking, they want out. So they're not going out. So I'm going to talk to you guys while I unload the dishwasher, a little bit about how our year is changing and what that could mean for my channel. I will still keep filming grocery hauls for you guys and cleaning videos. Those are a little bit harder to edit, but I did tell you I started this conversation in the car when you could see all of my chins and everything else going on. See? But we are somewhat sharing one vehicle, and that is a good thing. Andrea did switch jobs, so what he ended up finding was God truly provided the best job possible for him. It's literally it takes him 3 minutes to get to work. and 3 minutes to get home. And the exciting thing is that the job that I start tomorrow is just another 2 miles from his job. So hopefully, I mean, we could even share a vehicle. He has his Fiat, the little car that we call Tootsie or poop emoji, is giving us fits. Lots of fits. And let me just say, is that how it happens for everybody? That you pay off a vehicle and then it starts giving you all kinds of crap errors. It's just driving me nuts. Right now we've went through 4 batteries and 4 headlights. I know, weird, right? So they're telling us that it must have a short and they can't find it. It means that the battery, it won't even start, and the battery is completely drained and we can't even jump start it. So we're not going to get rid of it as far as I know. It's paid off. We spent a lot of 2017 getting ourselves out of a lot of debt. I will post a link somewhere above about that. And the car, we only have 1 car payment now, which is our main vehicle. And I wish we didn't have it, and we were stupid and went and bought a brand new car, and yeah, that's all water under the bridge. But we're not going to get rid of the Fiat because it's paid off. We figured if he has to keep it on this battery charger every night, this trickle charger, then we will just do that to keep the battery enough that he can just get to work. He used to have a motorcycle. It's a whole fearful thing. And he would love to have another one. And he says, you know, that would be awesome. I don't think so. So I don't think we're going to do that. So anyway, I start this new adventure with my job tomorrow. He has been at his job. He was there about a week and a half before the Christmas break, and he is loving it. He says it feels like he is on vacation. I don't really mind sharing with you guys because I have shared a lot about finances, living off of one salary and things like that. I do think it's important to realize that things change in our families and in our lives. And Andrea accepted this position and it was a cut in salary. We have debated long and hard about selling our home and downsizing. A lot of reasons we don't want to do that. That could be a whole video. Mainly because we purchased this house when it was really cheap, and we got in a very good subdivision, and we have fabulous neighbors, and now property is so much higher that although we would be downsizing and we could make a little bit of money, the homes that are for sale now that we would be considered downsizing to are costing more than we owe on our home. So although you can have cash out right now, I don't want that to be an option for us. Our kids are older, so I have decided to bridge that gap and make things work, that I will just return to the workforce. So I feel like that is better for our family. If we were dealing with a different situation, we would consider other options, but I think that just works better for us right now. So for now, we have decided that we will be staying in our home. Andrea did accept this position that's easier on his spirit, easier on his body, and he has a few health concerns, so we're going to spend 2018 getting him better, just physically. So we think he should be in a good place mentally. We are in a fabulous place spiritually. I am so grateful for 2017 for the simple fact that we did find our church, and I really worked on my faith and trusting in our God and knowing that the Lord would provide for us. It was a true journey for me, like a journaling journey, and I have learned so much, and I have been taught so much this year. So I am very thankful for that. So that is where we stand going into 2018. I do want you guys to know that we're all concerned about Mattia, that we are just plugging along and things are getting better. It is possible that Mattia will face a school change. We have to get approval from the school board. And we are just working with a group of professionals to see what is best for him and what is healthiest in his mindset. And speaking of, here he is. Ta-da! He's here. And he is in one piece. And we wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for your concern and your kind comments, that things are getting better, and as a society, we need to learn to be more accepting and kind to each other, and how we teach our kids to interact, and what they say and the words they say and the terms they use, although they may be saying them in passing, that they truly impact your child and my child. So how do you feel things are going? Think they're getting better?
Yeah. I just hope we get the transfer.
He really wants to transfer, so can you look happy?
I'm just tired.
He is tired, the sweet boy. It's just been really some resting from the holiday, and we spent a lot of time at home, and it's been really cold.
It's on Sasha's table.
And Sasha wants in, so that is how we are starting off 2018. Again, thank you guys so much. I enjoy your comments immensely. I read every single one of them. I try to respond to every single one of them. As I carry out this new journey of my new job, I still look forward to making videos and sharing them with you guys and talking to you in the comments. Add me on Instagram, add me on Facebook. I look forward to getting to know you. If you guys have a channel and I'm not aware of it, leave it in the comments below so I can come and check you out. I hope that 2018 finds you prosperous and happy and healthy and all of those wonderful things that a new year can bring. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!
Thank you so much. It means a lot for what you guys do. And thank you for all the comments.